Hey guys, me and Megan. Today's video is going to be me showing you how I apply my flip-over method wig that I made using ISEE Hair's Malaysian curly hair. So right now I'm using Jamaican black castor oil to just moisturize my scalp, and my braiding pattern is straight back, but I have two braids that go horizontally. One is an anchor braid and one is like my leave out. So I put on this stocking cap. I usually don't do this, but I decided to use a wig cap this day. So I put on this black wig cap and then I put the wig on. And I have a whole video on the process of making this wig it's a bit shitty, but I mean, I still made a video. Now I'm pinning up the back of the hair because I'm going to be sewing the front down to that anchor braid that's behind the leave out. Here's my needle. It's just a curved regular weaving needle, and I'm using just regular black weaving thread, and I'm just going to be sewing all the way across that braid. Sorry if this voiceover is trash. My laptop webcam is just such garbage, and I tried to connect it to like my audio interface and my condenser mic, but it's just not working. So I'm gonna figure out this voiceover situation soon, but sorry about that. And excuse the faces I'm making. I look really evil when I do my hair, but that is just the true tea. Here I'm doing the last stitch, I think, and then after I'm going to cut the string and then just tie a couple knots in it. And that's basically it, all that I do to sew the wig down to my head. And I'm just showing you up close what it looks like, and it's pretty close to the leave out. Like, I could have done better, but now I'm taking my Ebin edge control, the purple one, and I'm going to be laying my edges. I go back between this product and like Got to Be and Gorilla Snot, but right now I've been kind of like just using the Ebin. And sorry for the wacky lighting. My room, like the window's positioned in a really weird way, so like the light just kept shining in my eye on only like one side of my face. And here I am taking out the leave out. I'm pretty sure I put a little bit of jojoba oil on my fingers just to avoid frizz and for slip. I basically just do 2 flat twists as my leave out, like to keep it Gucci and to like have the texture kind of match a bit more. And that's legit it. Like, I could just be done here, which I'm basically just done here. What wig? Looks like my real hair. Now I'm just taking this satin scarf to just tie down my edges. Came back after doing my makeup, and now my edges are completely set and as good as they're gonna get. And I'm just fluffing out the hair, and next is the review so I can like talk more about the hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration portion of the video. So hey guys, I'm Maya, and moving on to like the review part of this. I've had this hair for around, I'm gonna say a month now. I made this back in November, the day before American Thanksgiving, because I went out to a dinner for that, and I wore the wig for the first time. So what I do now is I've been sewing it to my head for the past 2 weeks. So I really enjoy sewing it to my head because I just get to like keep it on, and it's really easy in the morning. Although it's already easy in the morning because flip over method wigs are so much easier to apply than like a frontal, because there's no like gelling it down. It's just already on. Like you put the clip in and then you take your leave out and you're good to go. I would say that my leave out doesn't match the texture of the hair at all. I have 4Z hair, but the fact that I have just so minimal out, it just looks like I have like kinkier roots. Gotta blend that part more, but honestly people aren't even checking for you like that. I usually wear this hair half up half down anyways, just because I think it looks cuter on me, because I'm not the biggest side part fan, and it's my first time making a flip over method wig, so the middle part isn't too cute. Like, it's just not too cute. So I did dye this hair myself. The clips of that So my family is really loud, and if you can hear them, I'm very sorry. But yeah, I dyed this hair myself, and I loved the bleach that I used. It was like for a dark hair to reach like a brown color, and my real hair is dyed brown. I don't think I've had a video with my natural hair since it's been dyed. I don't think so, but so like the edge, like the ends of my edges are like a brown color, and it matches seamlessly into the wig. Like, I think this is an exact color match. Like, if you didn't know, you would think this was my real hair. Like, this is the exact color match for real. So I really enjoy the wig. I think it's super nice. I got the lengths you probably already know. I got 16, 2 16s, a 14, and a 12. I only have 3 bundles of hair in this wig. Oh yeah, I haven't really said anything about this hair. This hair is beautiful. Like, it doesn't tangle. It really is easy to manipulate. Like, I do have to wet it down quite often, but that to me is like all curly hair. I kind of like to wet my hair down like almost every day, every other day, especially because I work in a fast food restaurant and my hair is always up in a bun, so then that kind of like messes up the curls. If I was just to wear my hair out like down every day and not manipulate it so much, I wouldn't have to wet it down all the time. But I just hate the scrunchy like marks, like the marks it leaves after it comes out of the ponytail. But like, you see how natural this looks when I pull it all back, like my lip gloss. I'm rocking Fussy. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. All my links are in the down bar as always, so hit me up on my Instagram, follow me on Snapchat even though I don't really use it that much, and check out my SoundCloud, please. I haven't posted anything recently, but I will be posting more. Got my nails taken off so I can finally I took my nails off so I can finally practice guitar more. But yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.